Now let's run the simulation. Let's click this simulation icon. This simulation activity is init. Let's click to see how many steps involved in this. So it's the same as the previous model. AD batch test 35 degrees, 2 or more fades. So it's step size 0.1 and the step number is 400. Together 40 days simulation will be plotted. Okay, let's initialize the simulation, and problem pop out. That's a problem during initialization of this model. This initialized problem is normally due to the initial concentration that's not well in a right range, which can be used for make a balance at the start of the simulation. So since this problem happens, we have to go back and check out the initial condition in this reactor. Let's click OK to close this problem bar. We go back to this reactor. There are options of variable processes, initial condition, and input. For initialize this simulation, initial condition are the main focus. After we click this initial condition, we check the different soluble and solid concentrations in this reactor. The problem can be due to this CAT soluble cation and the soluble bicarbohydrate concentration, which determines the pH value in the initial stage of this simulation. According to the experience, we are going to change this soluble bicarbonate concentration. So the new value we are going to give to this soluble bicarbonate in concentration is to multiply it with a factor 0.95 to try to reduce this value a bit. Let's click OK and redo the simulation to see if it's started correctly. Let's click OK. Initialize. Simulation successfully initialized. So it's in a OK range to start the simulation. Let's click OK to run the simulation. Okay.